Okay, guys, a list of some charts here I'm going to be watching this week. Keep in mind, this is just a starting spot. We'll be adding charts all week as the week goes on, as each day closes, and we do new scans for charts from unusual volume, that sort of things each night. Plus, gappers in the morning for the live chat room. We'll be adding stocks each morning as far as that goes too. But this is a pretty good starting list here. First one I'm going to show you is Ross Stores, ROST. You had this big volume gap up, and it's really just kind of been flagging ever since, and now really starting to gain momentum. Hasn't taken out the highs of that gap up, so this is a great stock to have on long watch. Could just rip through these highs of the gap up pretty soon. We'll see, but definitely on watch. Big Lots, BIG. Not a beautiful chart here, but had this big volume move on Friday. I'm sorry, this would have been Thursday, and then on Friday had this kind of narrow inside day. Great candidate just to have on an intraday chart as you're trading. Keep one eye on Big Lots. Might get a nice second move, and all week long I'm going to have this on watch if it doesn't do anything or give me any kind of entry and long setup on Tuesday. After this nice move here, this will definitely be on watch all week. All right, CBS after this gap up, couple red days now. Kind of like Big Lots, worth having on watch for an intraday setup. Possible double bottom here in IACI. I made a video this weekend about a double bottom slash stop run, and that was on an intraday chart on Joy Global, but this is the same principle in that video applied to a daily chart, okay? IACI has been just bleeding lower for like 2 or 3 weeks here, and now just breaking below the November lows. I don't view this as a short just because it broke these lows. This could be right here where they're taking out stops and could be setting up for a nice upside move. Again, only with a proper intraday setup, but I think this is worth watching for a bounce. CLF, really nice move here, and then has been flagging for, I don't know, almost 3 weeks. And looks to have maybe turned the corner, so I've got CLF and the other coals on watch this week. Family Dollar, FDO. I don't love this one, but after this gap down, you had this kind of base, and now it broke out and kind of basing again. Maybe too soon, but you've got a big gap here, and it's been really strong. It's holding up really well, so we might get a nice upside push into this gap. FDO goes on watch also this week. JC Penney's. You got some resistance here to the left, but nice volume on Friday, a nice intraday push. We had a nice trade and chat over that one on JC Penney's on Friday. But a lot of shorts in this one, so it deserves to be on watch this week. It's been pretty good to us, by the way. And then Capital One Financial, COF, really nice multi-day bounce off the 200-day. Last time it hit it, a big gap down to that on Friday. Big volume, but it doesn't cost anything to have it on a chart. I think this deserves to be on watch. Maybe we get another multi-day rally off this 200-day as well. And that's it. That's the short list for the week. We'll be adding as the week goes on. We'll be adding other ideas, and all of these are going to be traded, if at all, based on intraday setups. With the market with us and that sort of thing. So a lot of factors go into trading. We don't just blindly jump into any of these because we like the daily chart, but this chart, this watch list is several good charts to watch, I think, to start with on Tuesday morning. All right, have a good night.